In this video, I'm going to guide you, show you if you monetize your app with AppCreator24 and you're not getting results or ad is not showing on your app. So now consider these reasons. Number one, if you have a app on AppCreator24, you need to also publish your app on any of the supported app store from AdMob. So let me take you to this step. Number one, you have to log into your dashboard from the AppCreator24, and then you also log in from your AdMob dashboard. First of all, you need to get approval from AdMob. If you created an account, you need to wait for one day, 2 days, 3 days. You will get an approval. Once you get the approval, then you are ready to publish your app in any of the app store. Now let me guide you and show you all the steps. Number one, this is my app. I just got approval just recent. As you can see, I have put all the necessary code and I downloaded the APK file, and from here too you can see this is the app. The next, you need to go to your app store, the developer console of any of the app store. So I published my app on Amazon App Store. As you can see, I published my app on Amazon App Store. So after downloading the APK file, after you have implemented all the code into from here to the App Store, which I've shown you here, I hope you know how to link the code. So here you can see, after I publish the app here, I have to come back to AdMob and tell AdMob that I have added my, as you can see here is showing Amazon App Store. So AdMob is have to confirm if that is true. You have published on App Store because it's supported by their server, so they're going to accept your website if they check and they confirm it's true you have posted your app on this server. So that is how it works. So there's no way you only copy you only put the code from AdMob to AppCreator24. You need also to link it to App Store. So let me show you, and also you see that my account is approved from the Amazon App Store, the Amazon Developer Console. You're going to see my app here. So that is how it works. So you must have to do these three steps. So as you can see, my apps are here. I only published 2 apps and all have gotten approval from AdMob. So as you can see, all my apps are live. So this is the app which I show you from here. This is it. You can see this is the app. You can see the app icon here. You can see the name of the app, and you can see the package name as well. So here you're going to see the same thing from Amazon Developer Console. That is my dashboard from the Amazon Developer Console. So you're going to see this is the same name that you can see. This is the same name, and if I go, you're going to see the same. This is here. You can see the same logo. So that is how to link. If you did not link, there's no way you can get approval. So you need to link your app to App Store, Then from here you have to come back and tell AdMob that you have successfully added your app into an app store. So if yours is Google, this is where you link it. If you publish your game on Google Play or Google App Store, so this is where you're going to link. If not Amazon as well, any of the supported app store, you need to come and accept, or you tick mark here and you click save changes. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please drop it down into the comment section